wardrobe for probably like more than a year or so. I never got around to wearing it because it's just not my style. I think I got it in a mystery box struck sheet or something. I don't know, I don't remember. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do is so I'm going to cut the top part of the dress and make it into a crop top. So it's honestly pretty simple. I don't think you really need to even sew the hem or something because the material is very stretchy, so it probably just roll at the end and you will have to sew anything. So I'm just gonna I fold it to half the length that I want and let's see how it goes. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm just gonna go and try it out and see how it actually looks. So for the second DIY, I'm going to take the bottom of the same dress that I used and I'm going to turn it into a one-shoulder top. So for this, I'm going to keep it as simple as possible for you guys to understand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a one-shoulder top from my wardrobe and I'm going to keep it on top of this and I'm going to trace the top. You don't have to create any pattern for that, so you can actually take an off-shoulder or a one-shoulder top from a wardrobe and just trace that. I've traced the top on top of it, so now I'm going to start cutting it. Okay, so now I've cut the piece out. Now I've actually cut this a little bigger than my actual size. So now I'm just gonna go and try it out and see from where I need to snip it a bit. So okay, so I tried it out and it's obviously quite big on me. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna stitch it on both sides and tuck it in a bit, and I'm just gonna sew the straps and then I'll be back. So I'm going to use a sewing machine for this, but of course you can always sew it by hand if you don't have one, or you can also get it done from outside if you don't know how to sew it yourself or take somebody's help at home. I have a sewing machine because I am a fashion student, but I'm just going to say that I'm not that good at sewing, but I'm going to try my best. So the next DIY is pretty simple. It's honestly the easiest to do, and I feel that everybody has done it sometime in their life. I did this a few days ago. While doing it, I actually got the idea to film this video. So it's basically cutting your jeans into shorts, which I did with this. I had this jeans in my wardrobe for a while, and I didn't really wear them. So instead of discarding them, I thought, why not just turn them into shorts which I will actually wear. So yeah, so it's pretty simple. You really don't have to do much. You really just have to fold your jeans in half and just cut it straight, whichever length you want. I generally keep it a bit longer than I would actually wear so that I can go back and make it a bit shorter if I wanted to. So yeah, this is all I did. So it's pretty simple, and you can obviously distress it at the bottom. So what I do is I just take the two ends of the shorts and I just rub them together, and it does the work. Or if you don't want to do it like this, you can also take your scissors and take one end of it and just rub it really roughly onto the ends of your jeans, and that gives you a pretty distressed look as well. So this is all for this one. So these are some of the DIYs, guys. I hope you guys liked it. They are super fun and easy to do, and if you did, do give this video a thumbs up, and it would mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make videos every Thursday, and I'll see you